Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good bone broth step by step. Start by roasting bones to deepen flavor, then transfer to a large pot and cover with cold water. Add aromatics, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and bring to a gentle simmer. Maintain a low simmer for many hours, periodically skimming foam and adding water as needed until the broth is deeply flavored and gelatinous. Gather bones from beef, chicken, or pork and separate any excess meat for later use. Roughly chop vegetables and roast bones at high heat to encourage caramelization and savory depth. Place bones and veggies into the pot, add cold water and the vinegar, then slowly bring to the desired gentle simmer. Adjust heat so the surface barely moves, and prepare to skim impurities during the first hour for a clear, clean broth. Keep your simmer steady and low, checking water level and topping up with hot water as needed to keep bones covered. As the broth cooks, taste and add salt late so flavors remain balanced. Once done, strain into clean containers, cool on an ice bath to move through temperature danger zones quickly, and refrigerate until gelatin forms. Use strained solids for compost or discard, and reserve the broth for soups, sauces, or sipping straight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.